Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Friday, October 19th. Quite a soaking rain event here for much of the Mid-Atlantic region late last night into this morning as a cool front moved from the southwest to the northeast, pushed along by a strong low-pressure system out over the western part of the Great Lakes. The rain event is not over yet from Philadelphia north and east. There's still more showers and embedded thunderstorms headed in our direction. Pretty much the rain is over now in the Washington, D.C. area, and skies will brighten this afternoon with some sunshine, and it'll be quite warm throughout the Mid-Atlantic region with high temperatures for the most part in the 70s. But there still can be some heavy showers from Philadelphia north and east throughout the mid and late morning hours. That too will tend to wind down during the afternoon, although an afternoon isolated shower or thunderstorm from Philadelphia to New York City cannot be ruled out. Let's take a look at the latest surface map. Here's that strong low pressure system. We've talked about this for several days, spinning around here over the western part of the Great Lakes, and it kind of pushed a cool front way out in advance of that front with some Gulf moisture involved, and we had well over an inch of rain here in southeastern Pennsylvania late last night, just really in a few hours, as the rain did not start until just after midnight. And there is some more heavy rain moving towards the Philadelphia region right now, and that'll move northeast towards New York City later on. So the rain is not over with for Philadelphia north and east. It's winding down now across the Washington, D.C. area. Quite a bit of clearing skies behind it, and we'll have some sunshine both weekend days here in the Mid-Atlantic region, just in time for the meteor shower that should peak in the pre-dawn hours early Sunday. Here's the latest infrared satellite loop from the SSEC website. Not too hard to tell where this low pressure system is. This is a mature cyclone with the conventional comma-shaped cloud pattern here associated with a mature cyclone here in the continental U.S. This low is spinning right now over the western Great Lakes and will be rather slow moving. Here's the frontal system with still lots of bands of showers and thunderstorms right along the front, some even heavier thunderstorms right off the east coast, and it'll take a while for this to clear out of here as it's moving slowly, rotating around from the southwest to the northeast. And again, over the next few hours there can be some heavy showers for Philadelphia north and east. The rain is pretty much moving out of the Washington, D.C. area. Quite nice over the Rockies today, and in fact the next several days look rather pleasant out along the Rockies. This is a lot of low clouds along the west coast, and they'll have late night and early morning low clouds, fog, and drizzle for the next few days along the southwest U.S. coast. Here's the latest radar loop. Again, Washington, D.C. area is just about in the clear here. The rain is pulling out this morning. It'll take a little while for the clouds to pull out as well, but there should be some sunshine there this afternoon, although an isolated shower cannot be ruled out. This little batch of showers and embedded thunderstorms is headed now towards southeastern PA, and then still has to go through the New York City region. So for the next several hours there is a threat of occasional showers, and some of that rain will fall heavy at times from Philadelphia north and east, and all of this now moving into New England. But even in the Philadelphia region there should be some brightening skies this afternoon. Mostly cloudy skies should hang on all day across New York City. Well, let's take a look at a couple computer forecast maps. This is from last night's 0Z NAM model run for Saturday morning. By this time that low pressure over the Great Lakes really doesn't move that far. It tends to weaken a little bit. It moves pretty much just about this distance in that direction. Nonetheless, there are some clearing skies wrapping around it on the south side, and that's why the Mid-Atlantic region should experience some sunshine on Saturday, and even more sunshine is likely on Sunday, just in time for the meteor shower, which peaks early morning hours. Probably the best time to view the meteor shower this weekend will be about 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. early Sunday morning, and it looks like the weather conditions will be quite favorable. Out west, really quite nice out in the Central Plains and the Rockies here with pleasant temperatures and plenty of sunshine. The winds have slackened off compared to what they were a couple of days ago, but again, along the west coast there'll be some late night and early morning low clouds, fog, and drizzle for the next few days. Finally, by Sunday morning, that low pressure continues to move away into the southeastern part of Canada. There's a little bit of clouds, maybe a little bit of light rain up across the mountains, but for the most part, it looks like Sunday will be a dry day here along the I-95 corridor. And again, much of the country, in fact, will be on the dry side on Sunday. And again, in the pre-dawn hours, that meteor shower should peak, looks like, with favorable viewing conditions here in the east as well as across much of the country. Well, that's it for now. For the SIweather.com, I'm the SI meteorologist, Paul Dorian.